I am José Augusto Berrocal and I'm a group leader at ICIQ since July 2023. Our first research line focuses on stimulant-responsive polymers and in particular on polymer mechanochemistry, which is a research field that studies how mechanical forces are transduced in polymer materials. Effectively what we do is to develop small molecules that can act as force sensors once they are inserted into a polymer material, and they can communicate the application of a mechanical force in a material by a change of color or by emitting light, for example, of a specific color. This is really important because polymer materials are always exposed to mechanical forces, and it's really important to know if the material is capable of withstanding this force or not. Having this knowledge in hand allows us not only to see if a material is capable of withstanding forces, but also allows us to develop better materials for the future, materials that can last longer, that can resist more mechanical stimulations, or can either also self-repair once they get damaged. A second line that we are currently developing is about reconfigurable polymers, and these are materials that incorporate specific bonds that can cleave and reform upon application of temperature, for example. And this allows us to create materials that can be reprocessed, reconfigured, and recycled multiple times. Our group is very international. We're not the biggest here at the Institute, but we try to be as diverse and international as possible. And as a matter of fact, we count 7 different nationalities. So we like to be diverse also in the type of research that we do, and our approach is very interdisciplinary, meaning that we have people that come from different expertise and we try to combine them. So we need to work together in order to get the results that we want to achieve. Besides that, our group is very dynamic. We are all very passionate about food, so we always often meet and try the different cuisines from the different countries where we come from. We like to go to the beach. Here in Tarragona is very easy. And also we like to play bowling and enjoy a drink after work every now and then.